Hi everyone and welcome to the 5ers YouTube channel. I would like to remind you all that if you want to get any updates, weekly webinars, trading ideas, or any other Forex articles, please you can more than welcome to subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, and to our newsletter. Okay, let's start. Today I would like to introduce you a system which rely only on one indicator, which is the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so first I would like to show you, for those who don't know, how exactly to insert the Bollinger Bands into the chart, going up to the top menu to insert indicators and trend. All right, then you choose the Bollinger Bands indicator. Okay, those are the parameters that you should set in. The period is 21, shift should stay at 0, and the deviations set to 2. All right, and then just press OK. Here I already have this on the chart, and what I would like to show you, it's some system which give you a great idea or great signals for mostly for reversal opportunities. Okay, so as you can see, those are the Bollinger Bands, which most of the time, I would say more than 90% of the time, the price range in these Bollinger Bands inside. Okay, what I'm looking for in this system is for a candle which all its body is just floating out of the Bollinger Bands. All right, and I'll show you what I mean. You'll see good samples which succeed, and you'll see also, of course, samples which failed. And all the idea is to work with a good system which provide you a good signal with the potential for a great risk reward. All right, so let's start. Let's take a look at this candle here. All right, you can see that all his body stay below the Bollinger Bands. The open and the close, all the candle's body is outside of the Bollinger Bands. The same for this one, and the same for this one. Okay, and for this one. I'll put some signs inside. I'll try to mark it somehow. All right, let's take this sample and this one. All right, so let's start. Okay, so the idea is to wait and find a candle which all its body, all right, is outside of the Bollinger Band. When I found this situation and I see that the candle is closed outside the Bollinger Bands and all the body is outside, I will sell at the next opening candle, which is here. Of course, something that I forgot to say, if it's ended on the outside of the Bollinger Band, at the upper Bollinger Bands, right? So at the next opening candle, I will look for a sell position, which is what we should do in that situation here. Usually the stop loss will be above this candle, which ends all the candle outside from the Bollinger Bands, and the position, usually I manage the position after and I rolling the stop as soon as possible, and manage the position by understanding support resistance, and supply demand. Those are the levels where I will act and change my position, close the position, maybe close just part of the position, and roll my stop loss. So this one is a good example for a candle which all its body ended outside of the upper Bollinger Bands, and the next opening candle should be the time to sell this, in this case, the euro dollar. So we can take this sell position here to set the stop loss a bit above, and as I said, manage the position. I manage the position according to the price from the left to demand or any other support resistance, which we can see here and here. Rolling the stop loss. Always roll your stop loss on the first opportunity. Move your stop loss to break even. Okay, so that one is a good example. The time frame, it can be any time frame. Usually I worked with the 1 hour chart and the daily chart. The daily chart will give you much more time to react and much more time to manage the position correctly. In this case, you can see this green candle. It doesn't matter if it's green or red, but all the body of this candle is ended outside of the bottom Bollinger Band. Okay, this one. So at the next opening candle, we should open a buy position, and the stop loss should be just a bit below this candle. All right. If I found any other logic reason from the left to put the stop loss a bit below, maybe below this one, I'll do it. And after we open the buy position, it's the time to manage the position. And as I said before, on the first opportunity, I will roll the stop loss to break even and keep moving. So as you can see, the price rise up from that level, and the idea is that when the price and a little candle is just floating outside the Bollinger Band, it's a kind of a signal for a reversal opportunity. Of course, nothing works for 100% accurate, but this situation will give you a very good risk reward potential and a very good rate of success. We will see another few examples. This one, all the body of the candles is outside of the upper Bollinger Bands. We can sell at the beginning of the next candle, and if we roll the stop on the first opportunity to break even, I believe we should just get out from this position with break even. And as you can see, this one would probably will be a lost trade. This little candle, the body is ended also below the bottom Bollinger Bands, and if we will buy at the next opening candle, this position will be a losing position. Okay, let's see another asset. Let's take a look on the US dollar Canadian. This is the daily chart, and it's the same situation. I will wait and look for a candle which all is body, and even if all the candle in this situation is just ended outside the Bollinger Band, in this case outside from the upper Bollinger Bands, I will sell at the next opening candle and manage the position again. So this one is a great opportunity for sell position. Of course, if it's a daily chart, it will be much more rare situation, but a very reliable one. As you can see also, that situation here, this green candle, all the body is just below the bottom Bollinger Bands, and you can see the reaction and the correction after that. Right? The price just reached a supply zone here, which is a very logic to close the position, or at least part of the position, and roll your stop loss to the next bottom. And this one ended just below, okay, and this one ended all the body just below the bottom Bollinger Bands, all right, and on and on. So that's the situation, and this is the system that I want to introduce to you today. It's rely only on the Bollinger Bands indicator, and it's a very reliable and powerful one. Just look for a candle which all its body ended outside of the Bollinger Band. It's give you the signal that the reversal opportunity might come soon. Okay, thank you very much for joining us. I hope you'll find out and you'll have a great benefit from that system. See you the next time. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.